5 signs you have poor circulation and how to fix them. Disclaimer: we are not doctors. This information is not in replace of medical advice. Consult a doctor if you are feeling sick. What is circulation? Circulation is how blood, oxygen, and nutrients are transported throughout our body. Poor circulation can be caused by various factors such as smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, and lack of exercise. Poor circulation can lead to many other health problems, including heart disease and stroke. Symptoms of poor circulation in diabetics. Poor circulation can be a serious condition that leads to numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. It can also lead to dizziness, fatigue, and an increased risk of infection. Symptoms of poor circulation include numbness or tingling in the hands or feet, dizziness, fatigue, increased risk of infection. Cold feet. We often take our circulatory system for granted. It provides essential nutrients to all the cells in our body, removes waste, and sends signals to other body parts. But when circulation slows down, it can lead to several health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Circulatory system as a whole. How it works and why it's important for your health. With a global population of around 7.5 billion, it is estimated that over 415 million people have diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition affecting the body's ability to produce or respond to insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. It can lead to serious health complications, including cardiovascular diseases and kidney failure. There are 2 main types of diabetes: type 1 and type 2. The latter is the most common form, accounting for about 90% of all cases worldwide. In most cases, type 2 diabetes develops gradually over time as the body struggles to produce enough insulin and may react appropriately to sugar in the bloodstream. Poor circulation in the legs is a common complication of diabetes. Diabetes is a disease that causes high blood sugar levels. When there is too much sugar in the blood, it can cause damage to the nerves and small blood vessels in the body. These damages lead to poor circulation. People with diabetes risk developing complications such as poor leg circulation and many other conditions, such as heart disease or kidney failure. Poor circulation can be prevented by maintaining healthy lifestyle habits like diet and exercise. The circulatory system is a network of blood vessels that carries blood throughout the body. This system begins with the heart, pumps blood through the lungs and around the body. The circulatory system is made up of 2 main parts. 1. The cardiovascular system, which includes your heart and blood vessels. 2. The lymphatic system, which includes your lymph nodes and spleen. The cardiovascular system moves oxygen-rich blood to all body parts, while the lymphatic system removes waste products from tissues and cells throughout your body. The immune system protects you from infections. Endocrine system produces hormones that regulate body functions, including growth and development. Your nervous system sends messages to your brain and spinal cord. How to improve your circulation. For most diabetics, having poor circulation in the legs and feet mean their kidneys are asking for help. Along with a diet overhaul, some herbs can help prevent further damage. Here are a few of the best herbs for poor circulation. Cassia seed, golden camellia, cayenne pepper. Along with taking these herbs in a tea or capsule, it is also wise to take herbs that help improve your kidney health, such as parsley, juniper berries, dandelion. At Greenleaf Health LLC, we create potent blends of herbal teas to nourish the body's amazing organs. Visit us at s2live4.com to learn more and check out some of our favorite combinations. In conclusion, your body is designed to work like a well-oiled machine. It needs proper maintenance and natural resources to function at an optimal level. Suppose you have diabetes and are tired of being a victim of this disease. Consider a lifestyle change. Eating delicious and healthy vegan meals, exercising, and learning about nature's healing properties may be just what you need.